Welcome to a newly refurbished DVC Deluxe studio at Animal Kingdom Lodge, Kidani Village. And let's get started. Right at the front entrance, we have the kitchenette. And so here we have a microwave and a toaster. Coffee maker is just a K-cup machine, but they give you plenty of K-cups of coffee and tea. Got some paper towels, dish soap and cleaning supplies. I really like these countertops that they've put in at Kidani. Those look really nice. This tile looks really nice. These refurbs that they've been doing have been really good. I'm really happy with them. We have a mini fridge. This mini fridge does not have a freezer compartment. The freezer compartments in the mini fridges are going the way of the dodo around here. And then under here we have a trash can. And up in this cabinet, ice bucket, disposable plates, and then up here, you've got your coffee cups and plasticware and more paper towels. So right over here, we have the door that this connects to a 1-bedroom, and I also have a video tour of that if you'd like to check that out. And you can rent both of these rooms together, a 1-bedroom and a studio, and that makes a 2-bedroom lock-off. And then right here on the left, we have the bathroom. Nice big bathroom. So the toilet is in its own separate room. Nice and roomy. And then here is the bathroom. Nice big vanity. We have a hairdryer under here. I love the step stool that they have. And they also have it in the 1-bedroom. It's such a good idea to help the kids reach the sink better. There's a makeup mirror, soap and lotion. Nice big mirror, carvings around it. And then here is your tub and shower combination. It's got the same tile that they put in the small bathroom in the 1-bedrooms. I will say that since they've put in these sliding glass doors in the showers at the DVC rooms, so they've gotten rid of the shower curtains in most of them, it does make the shower bath feel a little more narrow, you know, because there's this hard stop of how wide it is. So it makes them feel a little less roomy. We have a little closet. We've got the extra pillow and blanket that you'll use for the pull-down bed that I'll show you in a few minutes. Ironing board, safe. Then here is the bedroom area. And they kept the ceiling fan, which we love. So right over here we have a big wardrobe. Jack's is another closet, and so here we've got iron, hangers, laundry basket. There's no laundry in the room in a studio, but the DVC resorts have free laundry. Queen size bed. Really like these headboards. The artwork in here. There's a nightstand on both sides with plenty of outlets and charging ports. And then here is your Murphy bed that pulls down into a double bed, but in the daytime, it's a nice couch, and I'll pull that down in a minute and show you what it looks like. And then over here, got this nice table and chairs. Trash can. Nice big dresser, nice big TV, and then this is my favorite thing in the room. Look at this. Isn't that so pretty? It lights up, that switch on the left operates it. I love this mirror. That is so cool. They need to put those in more resorts. All right, so I'm going to open the curtains and show you what it looks like outside on the balcony, and then I'll pull down the bed and show you what that looks like too. So here is the balcony. And this is a savanna view room, and we're up on the top floor, the 5th floor. But you have this nice big balcony, and we have a table and chair over here, and then another chair over here. And then here is the savanna view. There are giraffes out here, but they're not coming over this way right now. So they're kind of hard to see through the trees, but there are some giraffes out here, and these crested cranes. But you can see some of them in Animal Kingdom Park too. And then I'm not sure what these animals are. And I don't know what animal is making that noise. So, lovely, peaceful savanna view. So let's go inside and look at the Murphy bed. So here is what the Murphy bed looks like pulled down. And here's the scene. We have sleeping Simba and sleeping Nala. Very cute. I will say though, this isn't my favorite Murphy bed artwork in the DVC rooms that I've seen. I think they could have done a little bit better. There's probably more than one scene for the Murphy bed. That's something they've been doing now, that they'll have a couple different ones. So I wonder when we stay in another one if we'll get a different scene. I'll let you know. So I think this is a very nice refurbishment. Animal Kingdom Lodge has needed a refurbishment for a while, and they finally got around to it. And they're doing Kidani Village now, and they will be starting on Jambo House soon. And so I will have videos of that when they open up. But we really like staying at Kidani. It feels quieter, it's a little less hectic than Jambo House because it's all DVC rooms and there's only one restaurant, so it just doesn't get as much traffic as Jambo. So it's just a little more chill over here. But we love both buildings of Animal Kingdom Lodge. You can't go wrong with either of them. These refurbishments look great. They do have a shuttle bus that runs between the two buildings, and you can also walk. All of the restaurants at Animal Kingdom Lodge are excellent, so I recommend all of them. Boma is the buffet at Jambo House. Chico is the signature restaurant. The Mara is the quick service. And then at Kidani, Sanaa is the Indian restaurant here. You can get the bread service. Again, it's excellent. This is one of our favorite resorts. It's one of our home resorts, and we love staying here. Well, if you enjoyed this room tour and found it helpful, if you could please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to subscribe for more videos, I would appreciate it. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!